Do you know Ice Bathtub? We are manufacturer. We have produced Ice Bathtub over 15 years. Ice Bathtub offers an effective way to create cold water exposure in a controlled environment for exercise recovery. The best athletes have been using cold water exposure, ice baths, cold plunge, cold therapy, cold water immersion for decades to get the benefits of faster recovery, improving sleep, mental health, reducing muscle aches, pains and swelling, norepinephrine and dopamine release, weight loss and a host of other benefits. Cold plunge is ideal to recover from running, marathons, adventure racing, HIIT, team sports, cycling, weightlifting, or even from a hard day at work. The truth is, an ice bathtub is an investment in a holistic practice that can be done every day and produce dramatic changes in health. We support OEM logo. Welcome to contact us.
OEM Sauna Factory. Accept customized design sauna, 8mm sauna with material, LCD controller, Bluetooth music, far infrared carbon crystal heating plate, LED lights, high quality hemlock, leakage protection, toughened glass door, anion oxygen, 1-year quality assurance. OEM Sauna Factory. Accept customized design sauna, 8mm sauna with material, LCD controller, Bluetooth music, far infrared carbon crystal heating plate, LED lights, high quality hemlock, leakage protection, toughened glass door, anion oxygen, 1-year quality assurance.